So here is the Mote voice note recorder. You can see all the features down here, and I included the link for it in my presentation. So I already have it installed, but you can go through the steps to do that. Then once you do that, you'll see in the top on your toolbar now, there'll be like a Mote option, and if you click on that, you can see I can record a voice note just like this. So there's all of my options. And I would just click record here to record something. So the way that I use this for my class was that I created a rules of pronunciation, or how to decode and match the phonemes to the graphemes in new words, basically. So as you can see here, I went through and made a whole list of all of these different grapheme phoneme connections. And then for each word in blue, it means that I've created a recording of how to say it. So I did that with Mote simply by selecting the text and creating a link. So if I click play,
Fine, cake, huge.
and you'll see it will do that for any of these. They just have to click play and they'll be able to hear what you said. I've heard a lot of other uses of this as well, in terms of giving students audio feedback rather than written feedback, which would also be really useful for struggling readers if they would rather listen to the feedback and would maybe take off some of the like mental load if you said the feedback to them. And I also did this for all the different vowel teams. So you can hear say, hey, play, all of that stuff. So Mote really helped me out there. And then I posted this on my Google Classroom. You can see here under pronunciation rules. And then they always had it there for them. So I thought that might be useful to other people as well. If anyone wants this resource, or I have syllable counting, I have spelling rules, just like these reference materials, spell checker that my students really liked, all that kind of stuff. So yeah, that's what worked for me. Let me know if anyone has any questions.